is phonics and writing lesson number 117. Today we're going to go over all the special sounds that we have learned. Well, not all of them, but quite a few of them, because we want to review them so that when we get to our seat work page today, we're going to remember what our special sounds are. So I have chosen the ones that will be on our seat work page today. So let's look at these. Mr. Frog's holding them for us, and see if you can say them before Miss Ellie says them. TR says tur, as in train. SH, my favorite one, says sh, as in ship. GL says gl, as in glue. AY says A, as in pray. Remember, AY at the end of a word says A. That's a hard one, and it's going to be on your seat work today. CK says K at the end of the word duck, duck. CL says cl, like clock, clock. FR says fur, fur, like frog. Right, Mr. Frog? Like frog. TH says th, like in this, like in this. Y at the end of a word says I, as in fly. That's another hard one to remember, so you have to remember that one. ST says st, like in stop. And that brings us back to TR. Okay, did you get all of those? I hope you did. They aren't that hard to do, and they help us to read our words more quickly as we're sounding them out. All right, today is going to be a seat work day and a reader group day. So, I'm going to need Mom for the first part of this seat work page, because Mom is going to tell you a blend, or Dad, or Grandma, or who's ever there to help you. The first part of our page, of course, put your name on the top. And on the first part, I want Mom, or whoever is there to help you, to tell you a blend to write. Write the blend that they tell you. Remember, the blend is the first two letter sounds you hear in a word. Like cat, cat, cat would be CA. So you'd write CA if they told you to write the blend for cat. All right, so let them do that. That's 3 blends that they have to do. Then down here on this part, the directions say, match the special sounds with the picture. So here you have TR. Does TR go with truck, stove, globe, or shell? So match the TR with the picture that it goes with. All right? Let's look at this rectangle down here. This is something we're going to start that's going to be new today. You have watched Miss Ellie a lot of times in the last few lessons circle special sounds and mark the vowels, and now you're going to do that too. You're used to marking the vowels, but now you're also going to circle the special sounds in a word. So the first one is done for you. But let's look up here at the board, because Miss Ellie has it written up here, the first 2 words. So let me help you with the first 2. All right. The first word, of course, our special sound we know is CL. So you're going to circle the special sound CL. Then you're going to look, does it have any vowels? It does. It has 2 vowels, O and E. We know that 2 vowels, we have to mark the first one with a line or a stick, so we know it says its name, the long sound O, and then we cross off the second vowel because it's silent. So we've got O, close, close. All right? That one is done for you. Now, let's work on the second one and see if you can get this one together. See if you can do it before Miss Ellie does it. All right, we've got a special sound. BR is a special sound of burr, remember? What is I is our vowel, right? I is our vowel. So we're going to make that a smiley face because it's one vowel. Makes us happy to mark just one vowel. And what about CK? That is a special sound. So we circle that one. Very good. This is how you do your paper. Circle the special sounds in each word and mark the vowels. Now, be careful when you get to the word fry. Remember that if there's two special sounds in a word, you need to circle both special sounds. There may not be a vowel to mark at all. All right? All right, good luck on that. Mom can help you if you need help. Turn it over. This is not hard. You're going to look at the picture. Then you've got 3 words. Circle the word that tells you what the picture is. Remember your 1 and 2 vowel rules. That's going to help you, okay? Down here, the directions are read this sentence and do what the sentence says. This tells you exactly what you need to do. Read the sentence. All right, that is your phonics seat worksheet. Then you got a writing sheet today, all right? We're going to put our name at the top. Remember to write your first and last name because we're practicing that. This is capital P and little p. Trace capital P, trace little p, write it, okay? Then you're going to read this word. This is somebody's name because it starts with a capital letter. His name is Pete. Trace the word Pete, write it here. Trace the next word, write it here. Now, this next sentence, I want you to read it. It has a question mark at the end. So you know what your voice needs to do. It needs to go up when you read the sentence. So trace this sentence. Make sure you trace the question mark. Write the same question right down here on line 4 using a new red dot for each word. Don't forget your question mark. Then you can ask mom or grandma or dad or who's ever there helping you, say, did I do a really, really nice, neat job? If you did a wonderful job writing, you don't have to do the back because this is extra practice. If mom looks at it and says, I think you could have written a little more neatly, then go ahead and practice this back page, okay? We'll leave that up to mom or whoever is helping you. All right, that's your phonics and writing lesson for the day. Don't forget to do your reader books. Work really hard on them. Y'all are doing so well. I'm enjoying listening to you read, whether you FaceTime me or do a video. It's really, really been good to see you and hear you read.